If your Epic Games launcher is giving you an update error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that works for most people. We'll be running the launcher as an administrator and clearing the web cache, which can remove corrupted temporary files that often cause update problems. This is a fast troubleshooting method, and you can do it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background because if the launcher is still open, the cache files may not reset properly. You can check your system tray too, just to be sure it is fully closed. Next, right-click the Epic Games launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with administrator permissions can help the launcher access the files it needs and can sometimes fix update issues right away. If the error still appears, we'll move on to the cache reset, which is the main fix in this tutorial. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. In the box, type %local app data % and then press enter. This will open the local app data folder on your computer. From here, look for the Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Then go into the saved folder. Inside saved, you should see a folder called web cache. This folder stores temporary launcher data, and if it becomes corrupted, it can stop the Epic Games launcher from updating correctly. Right-click the web cache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this is safe, and the launcher will rebuild the folder automatically the next time you open it. Once the web cache folder is deleted, close the file window and restart the Epic Games launcher again. If prompted, you can also run it as administrator one more time. In most cases, this will fix the update error and allow the launcher to load normally. If it works, give it a few moments to finish checking for updates, and you should be back into your Epic Games library without the error message. If you're still having issues, double check that the launcher was fully closed before deleting the cache, and make sure the web cache folder was removed from the correct saved directory. This simple cleanup often solves the problem because it clears out damaged temporary files that interfere with the update process. And that's it. You've now fixed the Epic Games Launcher update error by running it as administrator and clearing the web cache folder. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and step-by-step tutorials.